Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the place where we explore the world of technology and make your digital life easier. Today, we have something special in store for you, a free all-in-one file converter tool. In this video, I'll walk you through the installation process and show you how to use this fantastic tool for converting various types of files, including documents, movies, images, and more. So, let's dive right in. Explore the official website now by clicking on the link in my description below. Click the download button to get the installation file. Once it's downloaded, double-click the file to start the installation process. It's a straightforward process, just follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, right-click on the file you want to convert, then choose Show More Options. You'll notice a new option called File Converter. Click it and select the desired file format for conversion. If you choose Configure Presence, you can customize the file formats that appear in the right-click menu for quick access. The converted files will be automatically saved in the same folder. Thank you for watching today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until next time, happy computing.